This is just a video to show you my computer, or at least the inside of my computer. So I've got 32 gigabyte of RAMs, which is the TridentZ RGB G.Skill ones. They're really good. If there's any recommendation I will do, it is that they last a long time, better than some other brands I've used in the past. And the reason this computer is open is because I had to change my battery today. Batteries do die eventually. And as you can see, yes, I've got an X570 Aorus Master motherboard and my graphics card Aorus, and it is a 180. It's a really good graphics card. It does what it needs to do. You don't necessarily need the latest hardware in order to run 3D applications or anything like that. I work with 3D and I'm still using this 180. Unfortunately, unlike other people, I don't have money lying around to be able to afford the latest hardware all the time. So I make do with what I can. So yeah, and obviously I've got a cooler, etc, etc, etc. Cooler master, really good. Really good overall, I would say. It's a good little rig, and a lot of times, yes, unfortunately, the one thing that I seem to struggle with this build seems to be the battery going all the time, and that's about it. But otherwise, everything else in terms of hardware seems pretty solid. Good little darling, basically.